fluoride. Objective of the experiment is to determine the fluoride present in the given water sample using ion selective electrode meter. This is the experimental setup. The stock fluoride solution contains 1000 mg per liter of fluoride, or 1 ml contains 1 mg of fluoride. A 5 mg per liter concentration is prepared by taking 0.5 ml of stock solution in a Nestlé cylinder and diluting it to 100 ml. So 0.5 mg of fluoride is present in 100 ml of standards. Hence concentration is 5 mg per 1000 ml or 5 mg per liter. Now transfer 50 ml of this solution into another Nestlé cylinder. Dilute this to 100 ml with distilled water. This concentration will be 2.5 mg per liter. Again transfer 50 ml of 2.5 mg per liter concentration into third Nestlé cylinder and dilute to 100 ml. That is 1:1 dilution. Hence the concentration of this standard is 1.25 mg per liter. Now transfer 20 ml each of standard 1, that is 1.25, standard 2, that is 2.5 mg per liter, and standard 3, that is 5 mg per liter into 3 beakers. Take 20 ml of sample in another beaker. Add equal volume, that is 20 ml of TSAB. TSAB means total ionic strength adjusting buffer. Calibration of ISE meter is done using these 3 standards. This is ion selective electrode meter. When switched on, it will ask operator menu. Here we have to feed some information to the instrument. Hence press yes. It will ask change the electrode. Press yes. It will ask pH electrode. Press no till you see fluoride electrode. Now press 1 to select fluoride electrode. Next, number of decimals can be changed. Setting lower and upper limit can be set. Press speed and 0 button to go for calibration. Since calibration is done by direct measurement, press yes. Here set the number of standards used as 3, and other settings are done here by pressing Y or N, that is yes or no button. When display shows place standard 1, dip the electrode in standard 1 and mix continuously using a magnetic stirrer. When the reading becomes constant, the display will show cal as 1. Now enter the value as 1.25 and press yes. Again display shows place standard 2. Wash and rinse electrode and magnetic bead, dry it. Dip the electrode in the standard second. Press yes button again. When the reading comes stable, display asks cal as 1. Enter the value 2.5 and press yes button. Repeat the procedure for the third standard also. After entering the values of standard 3, that is 5 mg per liter, and pressing yes, the display shows the slope of the calibration curve briefly. When the display shows place sample, rinse the electrode and magnetic bead thoroughly with distilled water and dry it. Dip in the sample and press yes. When the reading becomes stable, ready will be displayed. Note down the reading. Here concentration of fluoride is 1.627 mg per liter. After completion, rinse and store the electrode in fluoride storing solution.